Want a contactless menu? It's easy and free. A QR code restaurant menu blends print and digital, letting customers scan a code to view your menu online. First, choose a free QR code generator like QR Code Monkey or Free QR Code Generator. Input your menu URL. This could be a Google Doc, a page on your restaurant website, or a menu created in Canva or Adobe Express. Customize your QR code by adding colors or a logo to match your branding. Download the QR code as a PNG or JPEG. Print it on your tables, placemats, or even walls. Test it by scanning with your smartphone to ensure it links to your menu. Dynamic QR codes are best, so you can update the menu online without reprinting the QR code itself. QR code menus are now standard and reduce paper waste by about 50%. For the best experience, ensure high contrast printing for easy scanning. Consider linking to multilingual menus to cater to diverse customers. Integrate mobile payments for streamlined ordering. To enhance personalization, look into AI tools that can tailor menus based on customer preferences. While free tools are great, be aware of potential watermarks or limited features. Also, always have an offline backup, like printed menus, in case of tech issues. QR codes are more than just a trend. They're a sustainable and efficient way to modernize your restaurant.